So this is going to be a simple dimensional analysis problem. So suppose you have the following problem that says convert 75 miles per hour to feet per second. So we can write that as 75 miles over 1 hour. Basically, anytime you see per, that means over 1. So it's 75 miles over 1 hour. 75 miles per 1 hour. So we know we're going to need to convert both miles and hours, but we could start with miles first. So we know that there are 5,280 feet in 1 mile. But do we multiply by 1 over 5,280 or by 5,280 over 1? So what you want to do is multiply by 5,280 feet over 1 mile, because that will allow miles to cancel out. Anytime you have units on both the top and the bottom, you can just cancel them out. It becomes 1. Anything divided by itself is 1. So now we have feet per hour. And you can multiply now, but it's actually easier to just multiply everything at the end. So now we just need to convert hours to seconds. So we know that there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. And again, hours are on the top because we can now cancel them out. So we have feet per minute now. So now we just need to convert minutes to seconds. So we know that there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. And I put minutes on the top because now minutes can cancel out. So now we finally have feet per second, and all that's left to do is multiply everything together. So we can do 75 times 5,280 divided by 60, divided by 60 again. You put that all in a calculator, and as the final answer, you'll get 110 feet per second. And that's your final answer. So I hope this helps. If you do need me to clarify anything, just write it below in the comments, and I'll do my best to respond.